ahead, retest these highs, and fill this daily gap. We'll have to see once we drop down. We're just doing a little top down on gold and YM right now. Only 2 pairs in my watch list as of right now. Gold definitely has a wick to fill, and I feel like this daily range would be much bigger than this today. So we're still bullshitting right now. NYSD just opened. Still have an hourly gap down here. Really, this price action is just ugly, honestly. We'll have to see what the market really want to do here soon. Hopefully gold will actually make some shake today. As you can see, the last 2 days, I mean, I did catch a trade on Monday, but you see price action yesterday. I just don't want the same thing as yesterday to happen. It doesn't really too often happen 2 days in a row. We'll go a bit closer so that the word "so" actually registers. I didn't put the right thumbnail on it either. Damn. We are getting good price action at this 15-minute gap, though. Not a setup that I would take quite yet. Not too much seeing anything on YM as of right now either. Definitely trying to take my time, check this setup. Get logged in here because that's about 27.66. Yeah, 27.66 is how much I need to pass this Apex account. So, like I said, not gonna rush. Now, as far as YM goes, I was looking for sales at least into this daily gap, and just to see what type of reaction we get out of it. We'll just see what type of things get respected early on today. Not early on, at least like right after open. To see what type of things are getting respected. Early on today. Not early on. Not this shit again. That's how you do it. I was in the inverse of this gap. This 15-minute candle has a lot of time left. Same thing with the 30. Same thing with the hourly. So as of right now, we're getting a rejection on all time frames. So we are respecting this gap heavily. This is a trade I would take, but this is even more of a trade I would take. I'm not gonna lie. I be liking this shit that the bullshit the market be trying to pull out. If I get a good rejection off of there, yes, I'm hopping in. Now, as far as gold goes, we did inverse this 5-minute gap. Tap back into it. Should get a push up out of there to create a supply zone possibly, but it's gonna be tough for us to get all the way up there and sweep liquidity before we come back down and fill the gap. But like I said, that gap got filled, so you can't even move it until this candle closes. Trying to get away from this wick, whether it be to the downside or the upside. I just want to be away from that wick. That's a 1-minute gap that did get respected as of right now. That's just a great rejection. Definitely looking for buys on gold, boys. Definitely looking for buys on gold. But it has to be a good setup. So, I mean, I would take a unicorn here if we could sweep liquidity. I'll either take a... Yeah, if we sweep liquidity here, I could take a 3-minute unicorn, but I don't like all these gaps sitting up under here. So realistically, we have gap from there to there. We got 3 gaps below. I don't remember what this was. 5-minute inversion. Yeah, now I'm more worried about this gap. Still super early on in the day. Definitely want to see a lot more candles play out before I actually make a move today. And I need to clean my room. Hella clothes. I got so many clothes on. At all. I do need us to sweep liquidity right here. Might not have to wait too late for gold, but I need YM to calm down some. That's what I need out of YM. Got to get a 5-minute closure here. I mean, we already did sweep liquidity, but I would need this candle to close more on the bullish side in order for me to even think about messing with this gap. And which is doing now. So we can do this 5, 4, 3, 2. So we're still only at the top of the range. We'll see. If I get a good rejection out of this, dang, this is my original range, and I had already said if we get down there, that's what I'm gonna take. But now we have a 5-minute as well, but I've seen YM. I've seen YM. So we could definitely wick this spot and still close inside of this one. Because this is one of them's a 5-minute and one of them is a 1-minute. So we do have to keep that in mind. Checking back on gold here really quickly, we do have a clear as day demand zone. Break a structure here. But we still do have a gap below, which we will mark out in the case that we don't get a good rejection.